Did you know that one YouTube creator is making thousands of dollars every month just by uploading the sound of rain? Meet the relaxed guy. No face, no voice, no fancy editing. Just calm, soothing rain videos that millions of people around the world can't stop watching. With over 1.5 million subscribers and more than 580 million views, his channel proves you don't need to be on camera to make serious money. In fact, recent estimates show he's earning between $4,800 and $6,100 a month. That's up to $273,000 a year from uploading peaceful nature sounds. It's passive, it's simple, and it's genius. Who knew rain could pay your rent?